When this baby hits 88 miles per hour, you're gonna see some serious shit. My calculations.
We're Slikrok Productions, and I want to talk about lights for a second. So we have been running Gorilla Whip products for over 4 years now. These guys are a great company. They've been a great company, but they're under new ownership now. And the new owners reached out to us. We've had some lengthy conversations with these guys. These guys are fired up, and they like this industry a lot. And these guys are going to go somewhere. They're re-innovating a whole bunch of stuff right now. I'm really looking forward to see what they come out with. But my favorite thing from Gorilla Whips is their rock lights. We run them on all of our buggies, and any of you guys that have seen our buggies out at night, I like the whole ground glowing. I like to be able to see around me, and they make the brightest light out there. I got a new build that I've been putting together the last couple of months, and I went to Amazon, I bought some rock lights. I took all the time and the effort. I wired them in, I installed them, I hit everything, and when I turned them on, they suck. They're like 20% as bright as Gorilla Whips are. And so I'm gonna rip them all back out of the car. I'm going back down this road. You might save some money going with some cheap lights, but they're not the same. They're not even remotely, they're not the same ballpark. Gorilla Whips makes the best rock lights out there. Their whips are phenomenal. They have great warranty. So we're gonna put the link to their website below. If you guys are looking for some whips or looking for some rock lights, these guys make a phenomenal product.